difference between formal and informal organizations. The main point of difference between formal and informal organizations are as follows. Number one, formation. Formal organization is deliberately designed and established by management for coordinating activities. It is an official system. On the other hand, an informal organization arises automatically from social interaction among members. It emerges spontaneously and naturally within formal organization. Number two, purpose. Formal organization is established to achieve the organizational goals like profit growth, etc. An informal organization, on the contrary, originates to fulfill social and cultural needs of members, that is, fellow feelings, sense of belonging, esteem, status, etc. Number three, structure. A formal organization has clear and well defined structure which is pyramid shaped. Therefore, it can be depicted in the form of a chart. But an informal organization has no clear or definite structure and cannot be shown in the form of a chart. It is a complex network of social relations among members with a loose structure. Number four, leadership. In formal organization, managers are leaders. They acquire the leadership role by virtue of being appointed as managers by higher authorities. In an informal organization, the leaders are decided by members themselves on the basis of voluntary decision. Informal groups may not accept managers as their leaders. Number five, communication. In the formal organization, the direction of flow of communication are fixed and predetermined. They interact with each other on the basis of job positions and level of authority. In informal organization, members do not interact in a fixed manner. They develop their own channels of communication for interaction. The channels of communication in an informal organization is called grapevine. Number six, behavior of members. In a formal organization, standards of behavior are prescribed and enforced by the management. For example, formal organization prescribes how much work should a worker do and what work method he should adopt. In case of an informal organization, standards of behavior are evolved through mutual consent of members in the form of group norms. Number seven, focus. Formal organization emphasize efficiency of jobs and functions, but informal organization focus on needs and interests of members. Number eight, adherence to rules and regulation. Rules and regulations of formal organizations are generally prescribed in writing. Violation of rules leads to penalties and punishment. Informal organizations have unwritten norms, and violation of these norms invites social disapproval and strictures. Number nine, size. A formal organization is generally large, having several members. An informal organization is generally small, having few members. Number 10, stability and durability. The formal organization is relatively more stable and predictable than informal organizations. Job, authority, responsibility relation and lines of communication in it are well defined and do not change without the approval of management. But in case of informal organization, relationship and lines of communication change according to the needs of members. Number 11, interdependence. Formal organization exists independently of informal organization, but the informal organization exists within the framework of formal organization.